Hello everybody, my name is Navid and welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to download, install and get started with Siemens automation software, TIA Portal version 15, 16 and 17 and PLC Sim. First, we need to download this software. You can find the link in the description below for different versions. For these versions, there are different system requirements that you need to consider them. I will download and install version 16. Installation of version 15 and 17 is same as version 16. We have two options to download. Simatic WinCC Unified is a completely new visualization system. It has new and more features and I prefer to install this one. Please download all these files for DVD1, DVD2 and 3 and PLC Sim and save them in the same file directory. You need to be logged in to download these files. If you don't have any account, you need to register. Write your email address and make a password. You should also give some data like address and phone number. Then continue and register is done. You receive an email that you need to confirm that. After finishing the download, run this setup file. This is not the installation setup. We just want to unpack the files. Here we can change the language. I accept the default setting and the package will be extracted. In this part, if you get an error that TIA Portal requires Net Framework 3.5, you need to cancel the installation of TIA and install this missed Windows component. After that, you should restart the PC and start again installing TIA. You can choose the language which you need in this application. English is installed by default and for example I add German. In this part you can choose what you want to install. I prefer typical. You need to check all boxes for license agreement, but with your responsibility. I accept. At the end, you see a summary of what will be installed on your PC. The installation will be started. Depending on your PC hardware, it takes approximately an hour to complete the installation. Installation is done and we restart the PC. You need to repeat the installation for other DVDs. Okay, now we install PLC Sim. PLC Sim is a simulation software. If you haven't any real PLC, don't worry. You can use this software and simulate a PLC. Everything is like installation of TIA. Let me run the TIA. We create a test program. This box says we don't have any license. Do you want to activate the trial license? Yes, we activate the Step7 Professional. This version is activated for 21 days and after that you need to purchase a license. Now we can add our desired PLC and other devices. In this tab, we can see that everything is installed correctly. We test PLC Sim. It is also installed and runs correctly. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn hardware configuration and we will start our first PLC programming with TIA Portal.